Here's the next video in the series of videos and reviews about handmade shoes from China. We're going to highlight Yearn Shoemaker. This is done in partnership with Arterton out of London, as well as Yearn Shoemaker. They are both very graciously supplying the two pairs of shoes that we're about to unbox. Yearn Shoemaker is a fully handmade shoemaker out of China. They make fully handmade shoes out of China. They also offer kind of a combination of hand-welded construction with some machine finishing. I'm going to jump into my pairs though. I'll get into a more solo focus spotlight separate from the unboxing. This is really that unboxing experience, both from Arterton and Yearn Shoemaker. This is just a very high quality overall box, as well as the just everything, like this herringbone kind of shoe cloth, as well as the shoe bags. Very cool. Even on the side here, I just noticed it's got the details, even got shelvage. Super cool. Really love that. Now I'm looking at their website as we unbox these. I'll get into a little bit of the backstory about the partnership here. Basically, there's no strings attached. I reached out. I wanted to create this series of focus on Chinese handmade shoes. I heard fantastic things about William and Arterton, and I reached out and said, hey, this is what I'm doing. I think this would be a fantastic opportunity for both of us, as well as the community. You're really not going to have the opportunity to see Acme Shoemaker right next to Yearn Shoemaker, get a pound for pound equivalency across this new emerging market, which is bespoke shoes out of China. This is the Y07 last in the light brown CF Stead suede double monk cap toe monk strap. Has a natural edge finish, just a super casual looking shoe, and really excited to kind of see how this fits into the wardrobe. Now, as I'm unboxing this next pair, I'm not going to go into the details of the box and that quality. I think we've already established that. But why do I have two pairs? When I was talking with William, we were kind of going back and forth on what style. He had some suggestions. I was very interested in trying one of the boots as well as one of the monks, something that would really give me some parity across styles. I am going to have a double monk strap coming from Helen. I have monk straps from Acme. And I also have a boot from Acme. So I was like, how do we get some versatility both in what I'm showing, but also maintain some consistency to give it a level playing field? William had the generous idea of, let's pick out two of the most Yearn-esque styles. That way you can have one of each. You can really get a feel for what Yearn offers, where the strengths are, where the weaknesses are, all that kind of stuff. So that is why we have two pairs from Yearn in this review series. This is the balmoral boot. This is a combination material. This is the dark brown calfskin with a CF Stead shaft on this Oxford boot, and overall, excellent at first glance. Where do we go from here, and how do we start getting fair comparisons across the board? Basically, what we have is we've got three participating shoemakers. One is participating by default because I own a number of their shoes, and that's Acme Shoemaker. I am working with Mark now to get a pair of their Marvel shoes in this series, and I think that would be a fantastic fully handmade shoe comparison across the Chinese shoemakers. Hopefully we can make that happen. I'm going to go ahead and it's going to be unboxing from each. There's unboxing from Acme already, a number of those on the channel. That's going to be linked right here for you. Next, we'll have the unboxing of Helen Shoemaker, Blazing Wonders BW Shoe Factory, and then we just published the Acme Shoemaker Spotlight. So now we've got unboxing from Acme, Shoemaker Spotlight from Acme. Unboxing from Yearn, check. Next, Shoemaker Spotlight for Yearn. Then Helen Shoemaker unboxing, Helen Shoemaker Spotlight video. So that's going to give you that unboxing experience. It's going to give you an overview of the brand of each. Then, as that's happening, I'm going to be wearing these. We're going to do review videos. We're going to do comparisons throughout the break-in, the wear, the creasing, the flex points, all of that kind of stuff. After a few months, it's going to take 3, 4, 5 months maybe. I'm not rushing this, and I want to make sure any conclusions I draw are fair based on actual real-world use and are valuable. Hopefully, you're going to make some decisions off this, and if I'm going to take that responsibility of saying, here's information to make a decision off of, I'm going to do my due diligence to make sure I put these things through their paces. And if I say one is better than the other, one's a better value, there's going to be some damn cold hard facts behind that. Stay tuned for all of that. Again, if you can think of any other shoemakers out there that are readily available for clients to purchase, they're handmade, they're in China, let me know in the comments. I'm looking to expand this series as wide and as vertical as possible. Thanks for sticking around through this whole thing. I'll see you soon.